channel. So today I am here with
Jerome Aguilar.
and imuha ning mga Hudson ni Miko.
Yes, tanan diri.
Sana diri.
Except for these two na naka-diorama, pero everything else natin.
Everything kana.
Tanan,
Oh my God.
here, doon sa likod.
Sana. What? Pila imong Asa
Gasto? Wala ako nagasto, but this was over at least 5 years of 5 years of collecting. Tanan ako nagasto is over 250,000.
Oh my God.
All original license. Kahit yung mga cards na nandoon sa other side, I have cards na hidden right now, pero even that, over 200k na.
So, usay motivation nimo na nganong Miko lang man, nga walay katong ubang Vocaloid.
Well, just to be honest, Miko is yung number one na Vocaloid. Ever since day one na nahanap ko siya, and ever since day one na nag-release siya, I've always was like, whoa! Outstanding, and I really got the beat and I loved it. So ayun, nag-collect ako ng Miko. After one figurine came, the second and then the fifth one came, and ayun, I spiraled down this rabbit hole, and ayun.
Wala na balik, wala na ni Sata.
Wala na ni Saka. I mean, technically, may padulong pa, pero like,
Yeah.
so I just really love Miku. Kasi I really like, parang stan ako ng Miku, or like a really big fan rather.
Pwede ko mag-asa ang kinsa ang first di mo jud na figure. Pinaka first.
So, very first figure is kini na sa other side. Miku na Christmas 20, I think 14 ito. This is kalimutan ko when, pero this was around a long time ago. I already forgot when I got this and which model this was, pero ito yung very first ko.
So mga pilay mong nagasto ana.
At that time, only 350.
Wow, sana all. Sana all.
Very na.
Oh, grabe. No? Ay, marag motivation na mo mag-continue na maparama ka na mahal man ang collection.
Ako motivation really is, ito yung kind of yung stress relief ko. Since I work 3 jobs and having to be able to come home and look at my hard work pay off in a form of like my favorite idol. So this is literally what drives me to not only just to continue collecting but to live talaga.
Pwede ko mag-ask also yung favorite Vocaloid song ni.
I'm gonna have to say Rolling Girl. It's not a lot of people know about Rolling Girl, funny enough. Yung lahat na kilala ko, whenever I mention Rolling Girl, wala talaga. Pero it's my number one kasi it was the first Osu song ko.
Ako kabalo ko but like not my favorite. Pero valid.
Thank you.
So, out of all, Miko design, like in general, like even, maski din figure, sa favorite ni mo na design niya?
Favorite design ako, the very first design, default. Yung original will always be my favorite. Kaya it was the one that got me into Miku, and it will forever be the one that hold me to Miku.
Pero sa favorite ni mo na figure?
Out of here, yung lahat, yung isang Nendoroid ko na nasa other side.
Balik na po.
This one.
Hindi na ko man. Sige, yan na lang.
So, yan talaga, yan yung favorite ko. Kasi it's ball joint, it allows me to express my creativity. And it has 2 leaks. Yan. That's literally my favorite out of Satanan, even though I've spent more money on the other ones.
So like, sa kadaghan-daghan ani, how do you find the space sa balay mo?
One word, shelves. Shelves lang talaga. And I also put them sa desk, sa computer, sa mga lahat. I put them around my workspace, and as a voice actor talaga, it helps also it helps bounce the sound off and kills it. So parang mamatay yung sound, mamatay yung echo. So it also helps me with my job.
Amazing. So, mga pilo ba ni tanan-tanan? Pila ba ni pieces? Dagan kayo do.
Tanan ka pieces. If I counted right, this is a Davao breaking record of 76 Mikus in one convention.
So, ikaw lang tanan nagasto.
Ako tanan
Oh,
nag-
wala pa ni appeal.
Wala ni appeal.
Wow,
So 76 na eh.
dedicated.
Very. You will find nobody more dedicated than me.
Like as in, katawa sa table, mo lang ninahalo. Wow. How do you find the money to get?
As I said, I work 3 jobs, a voice actor for international clients and all that. Local clients as well. It just helps talaga. And then I'm customer service for Amazon. So ayun, all that helped me pay for this.
Pwede ka mag-ask like what kind of voice acting ginabuhat?
I just do any general type of voice acting, usually for for video games, animations, voiceovers, and dubs. Yung mga fan projects din. I do impressions and my own character voices.
Pwede ka makahatag og example like sa ka naka-work on? Work.
Currently, I'm working on a local artist ito here sa Davao City. There's this artist that goes by the name of let me i-shout out ko muna kasi grabe this is my first local client talaga since I'm mainly focused sa international. This is the local artist si Mick Incest. Currently working on a comic. Ito siya. This is my character, si Prince Emir. So this may be a comic, and if ever there's gonna be an animation or a dub or a comic dub, I will be the voice of Prince Emir.
Whoa.
So ayan, this is my first local client and my first local project, and I'm really proud of this kasi it really is mind-boggling na out of all my international clients, such as some other I cannot disclose kasi some of them are still work in progress. Pero this is the first one na wow, finally working for my country.
Amazing kayo. So, pwede ko mag-ask like what's the average price sa Hatsune Miku na
The average price of Hatsune Miku usually go around 1,500 or 1,800 pesos, that is. Pero in yen, of course, double.
So, mga pila guro pinaka-highest na imo na gasto or one figure?
Highest for one figure was 10k yen, which is 5,000 pesos.
Nasa dire ah?
Ah?
Na dire ah?
Of course, Nadria.
Wait.
Other side.
Balik na po. Balik.
Which is this one. This
Ah.
one is kasi, this is the rare VIP version or yung rare version. Yung original niya, blue yung skirt and much paler si Miku. Ito siya is much more of the original skin tone and i-match talaga lahat with purple.
I'm actually not surprised. Oh.
I personally like it, pero yung favorite ko pa talaga is yung yung Lindoroy na puso ball joint.
If kasi ma-suggest nimo sa mga interested mag-collect of figures, like even dili Miku, like in general.
Just listen to your gut talaga, like, and make sure na whenever you do it, make sure you're capable and make sure na you still are able to support your own life. Kasi this is a kind of a dedication din. Because for me personally, kaya ko kasi looking at these, it helps me talaga gain more mental health to keep going on in my job to get more. So ayun, it's one must imagine Sisyphus happy. Pero yeah, just make sure na ma-contain mo and ma-control mo yung sarili mo, and that's it. That's really it. Make sure na follow your passion, but make sure to follow your health as well. Ito yung card collection. This one is the most expensive.
Kasi siya na mahal.
This is one song. Even if you ever combine all of these, or like when you say grabe, this single card costs 7,500 pesos.
Oh, Kailan mo gagaston?
Since I got this at the time na hindi masyado siya popular and before na hindi pa siya nag-hold, I only got this for like 2,000 pesos.
Mahal gyapon, no?
Mahal gyapon.
Usa ni marag ipol gyapon ni siya. Like usa ni mga card na nila ipol gyapon siya.
Some of them know, some of them yes.
So marag ipak card then magpuling nga to gyapon. Oh. First time na ko kadungog na Miko na mga card. Wala pa ko kadungog.
Official license Magic the Gatherings, Secret Glare Drop. Yeah.
Amazing. Collector siya day ka, no?